Hey guys, my name is Dustin St. John, or better known as Rux Ton. You're probably wondering, what is this? This is the Rukkus room. This is where I'm going to host all of my tutorials from friends, free sample packs, free presets. I'm not here to make a profit off of other producers that are trying to make it. I'm not here to ask you guys for money so that you can buy samples. That's what Splice is for, okay? If you want to buy samples, go to Splice or find some other sample packs that people are selling. There's nothing wrong with that, but that's not what I want to do. That's not my goal. My goal is to just give you guys what I call free sources, which is just free resources. I learned how to make music from free resources when I was younger. I've been producing for 20 years, and electronic music back in the day was way different than it is now. There were no resources. We didn't really have people just selling sample packs. We had Vengeance, but that was like later on. There was like another one called VIP Zone. Galaxy Girl by me was actually, I used a vocal sample from one of the VIP Zone packs, which was Kate Lessing, I think her name was. And I think the sample came from Planet Beats and Bass or something. Those were some good times. But this is a channel where I want to host just free resources. And it is also a label that I release my music on, and I will very soon release music from other people. This is a place where you can feel at home, because I don't like genre boundaries. I never have. Electronic music has evolved so much because of that, because of breaking boundaries. You know, that's why dubstep has turned into umpteen other genres. That's why you went from the reggae dub stuff to rhythm, breaking boundaries, and that's what I'm about. If you make something that is different, stands out, and doesn't have a place anywhere else, this is what that's for. That is my goal, other than the free resources. I just wanted to circumvent from my own channel, my Rux Ton music channel. I wanted to circumvent all those tutorials and bring them here so that there is a central hub that I can just pump out resources for other producers. I guess you could say this is for producers, by producers, but also, for fans of electronic music of all sorts of genres and styles. So that's what I'm here for. My name is Dustin St. John, better known as Rux Ton, and I hope you guys stay. I hope you enjoy what content shows up on here, and I hope that you learn something, or that you get the help that maybe you've been searching for quite some time. That's what I'm here for. I just want to give a quick shout out to my buddy Andrew for making the beautiful Rukkus Room logo. He took the idea that I had in my head and turned it into a reality. And I didn't even have a big enough idea for him to turn into reality. He just did it himself, and I love it. So thank you, Andrew. I'll have a link to his portfolio on the bottom if you guys want any logo work from him or flyer stuff. I'm sure you can contact him. I'll put his email down there too. But thank you guys so much, and I'm really excited to bring to you guys some great tutorials and great samples and just great content. I've been working on a lot of things behind the scenes, and I'm just really excited for this. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon.